how to use a DAT load board like a pro, even if you never touch the load board. So I'll show you everything about this load board, and you will become a pro load board user by the end of this video. I want you to focus on this video, and I know you wanted to master the DAT, and I know you have a lot of questions. I'll do my best to help you with those questions. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Kamal. I had a trucking company. Then I started dispatching other people's trucks. I was successful with that, and I started teaching other people how to become independent freight dispatcher. Now I'm building tools specifically for logistics. Once you log in, you will see dashboard. On the dashboard, I want you to pay attention specifically. Post the truck, search loads, search trucks. Very important, and each has very unique functionality. Post a truck, this is where you, as a carrier, will be posting your own trucks. If you're not a carrier, relax, no problem. You'll be posting your carrier's trucks. Search loads, this is where the magic happens. This is where 99% of the dispatchers will live and do all sorts of things. I'll show you. Search trucks, very straightforward. This is where brokers will come in and click on that, and then we'll be searching for trucks. You, as a dispatcher, will be posting trucks. Then broker will come in and then click on search trucks. He will be assigning loads for those carriers who posted a load, let's say from Atlanta, Georgia to Houston, Texas. Very important, posting your trucks. Search loads, very straightforward. On the left side, you will see your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Search loads, search trucks, my loads, private network, and tools. And by the way, there are a lot of tools, but this video for another day. Let's focus on search loads. This is where you search loads for your trucks or for your carriers. Now, I want you to pay attention. Very important. I want you to understand their filtering means there a lot of loads are being posted by freight brokers. Hundreds of thousands of loads. Filters will help you to pull those best paying loads for you. I'll give you an example. Let's say your truck is located in Atlanta, Georgia, and your carrier says, I want to go to Houston. Then you come up here, you simply put this. You're in Atlanta, you put Atlanta. Don't worry about anything yet. I want you to focus on origin and destination. Let's dissect this piece by piece. Destination, this is where you want to go. I want to go to, let's say, Houston, Texas. You can type Houston, Texas. Since I already typed, it's there. I just clicked it and automatically fills in. Focus on city, state as a starting point. And then obviously your finish line is also city and state. Origin, Atlanta, Georgia, goes to Houston, Texas. Next, we have equipment. Equipment, different types of trailers. Closed trailers, open trailers. Closed trailers example will be drive-in. You have seen those semi-trucks out there. And we have open trailers like flatbed or step deck. Focus on a flatbed. Flatbed, open trailer, drive-in is a closed trailer. Let's say if I wanted to get loads for flatbeds, means open trailer. Maybe you have a question. If I have open trailer, what are the commodities or what type of loads I can move using flatbed? Heavy duty equipment, think excavators, heavy duty machineries. Those will be moved by flatbed. So next, full load or partial load. Very straightforward. Am I searching for full load or am I searching for a partial load? For now, think full load. It's like full trailer. For anything less than that, think partial load. When you're searching for a load, don't just put full load or don't put just a partial load. Search for both. Length, I want you to think the length of a trailer. In the United States, the most common trailer among these top 3 markets meaning again the different types of trailers, van, flatbed, and reefer. Reefer, I want you to think temperature controlled trailer. Those are 53. Just remember number 53, you will be fine. For the weight, you can leave as it is, empty, or you can put 45,000. Most carriers want less than 45,000. Just remember that. With the date range, you can definitely play, but most people will search 3 days in advance, or if it's very specific, you can search for today or for tomorrow or after tomorrow, or you can simply put like 7 days in advance. You can search that way as well. Once you've done everything, before we hit search, see, we're just keeping it very simple. Remember I said DHO 150 and then DHD 150. DH means deadhead, O means deadhead origin. It's the starting point. And then we have deadhead destination. That means it's your finish line. That means this is where you will be delivering the load. And 150, think as a radius. I'll give you an example. When we're going to Houston, I'm willing to go to 150 miles from Houston. It could be San Antonio. It could be the closest, let's say, cities around Houston. The reason why dispatchers will do this is because it gives you the ability to see more loads so you can make better decisions. So now moving forward, we'll already have the flatbed as a trailer, equipment, if you will, type of load, full load or partial load, length is 53, and the weight is 45. We are good to go. This blue button right here does the magic. There you go. We have 5 results. I know there are few of these loads, but I will show you how you can increase those number of results. But I want you to pay attention. Here is the number. It says similar results. That means you have the origin and destination. Load board basically recommends there are 85 similar results. That means similar to what you are searching. We think that these are the 85 loads that might be helpful for you. If you toggle this on, you can see those 85 similar results and you can basically make your decisions from here. See how simple this is? See how easy to use this load board? Most people will complicate this and they'll be like, oh, I never touched the load board. I never use the load board. And that's, my friend, how you use the load board. Let's take it to a next level. Now, I will be showing you some of the tools or functions, but I want you to think if you have a smartphone, you have apps on your smartphone. These are the basically apps that help you use your system. In order to take this to a next level, one of the apps or the functions that we have on the DAT is the tri-haul. Tri-haul is the system basically will show you how to find better lanes. Lanes means from point A to point B, and it also can go from point A to point B to point C. What's the reason for going this triangular route, if you will? Well, because the more you drive, logically, it makes sense, the more money you make. But not in all cases. DAT gives you this tool to use it so that you can run your lanes profitably. That's the main reason, so that you can make more money. What will happen when I click tri-haul? Here is the plan. Basically, DAT helping you to plan your trip. It gives you the options. Hey, instead of going from Atlanta, Georgia to Houston, Texas, if you do that, by the way, you'll be making the total revenue, if you will, is $1,672. Instead, we want you to go to from Atlanta, go to Knoxville, Tennessee, deliver the load there, pick another load, and go to Houston. By doing that, you will make more money. Imagine this. Instead of $1,671, you will be making $3,500. The difference is almost $2,000. Now, another tool is very important is the lane rate. The lane is Atlanta, Georgia to Houston, Texas. Lane rate, DAT gives you the hint saying don't settle less than $1,600 or close to $1,700. Why? Well, because brokers will pay about $1,700 for this lane from Atlanta to Houston. Another one is the market conditions. This tool will take you from amateur to pro and in top 1%. Market conditions is the tool you need to book profitable loads. In the next video, I'll be talking about the market conditions. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe. If you need more training like this, comment load board. I'll be doing more load board training just for you.